going to show you how to make this delicious miso black cod that is super, super tasty and very easy. So this is the black cod, also known as sablefish. The bones for this fish run right down the middle, and they're very hard to debone. So I actually like to just portion it out, cutting out the middle where all the bones are, and then this is the easiest way to go about it. Now that we have it into strips, just cut it into portions, and then this way it's going to cook pretty quick. It's going to soak in all that marinade as well. Speaking of the marinade, let's get started on that. We're going to pour in 1/4 cup sake into it like a saucepan or pan. We're going to do 1/4 cup mirin and 1/4 cup miso and 2 tablespoons of monk fruit sugar. Just work that around, basically get everything dissolved. Then you'll see here, it's going to take about like 20 to 30 minutes, but we're going to get this nice caramel consistency. That's what we want to see right there. Essentially let it cool before adding it onto the fish. Now it's time to get those paws dirty. Take the marinade, you're going to spread it all over the fish. Make sure it's coating all the sides, and then we're going to get this sealed. So use a Tupperware that's got like a nice lid on it. The trick is we're going to marinate this overnight. Do not skip this step. It takes a while to soak in. This is how you're going to get that Nobu type flavor. Add it to a sheet tray with some tinfoil on it. Then we're going to broil it top rack for about 4 to 5 minutes. That is what you want to see right there. You get that caramelized little crust around the edges there, and it is so, so tasty. I like to hit it with a little diamond salt to finish. Then we're going to plate this up. Grab your plate of choice. I like to serve this with some braised bok choy. Keep it nice and simple. Add your fish pieces right to the center, and then you can see how beautifully that flakes apart. Little taste test. Oh my goodness. This is so tasty. I'm telling you, it comes together in no time. It's going to impress anyone you put this in front of, and you're going to love it. Until next time, later.